Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to set the control lock on your LG washing machine. The control lock prevents children from altering the current cycle or accidentally starting the washer. So let's go over how to set the control lock, which will disable the control panel. To lock the control panel, first turn the power on. Press and hold the rinse plus spin button for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate this function. When the control lock is activated, a chime will sound and CL will appear on the display. And now your control panel is locked. When the controls are locked, CL and wash remaining time are shown alternating on the display during the cycle while this function is engaged. Turning the power off and back on will not reset this function. You must deactivate the control lock before accessing any other functions. To do so, first make sure the power is on. Next, press and hold the rinse plus spin button for 3 seconds to deactivate this function. The control panel will unlock and a chime will sound. And that is how to set the control lock on your LG washing machine. It's that simple.